Hello everyone and welcome to this new video class where we talk about the selection criteria and factor influencing food and the factors that influence the food purchasing decisions. In the past, we have been talking about which factors or which are the forms to send a message to the population, to outside the population. But we can't decide we can decide which message we are going to send without any criteria. That's why we are going to talk now about the selection criteria. Some of the points we need to stop before deciding or sending a message are the cost. It is necessary to know if the use of such means is economically feasible. So normally talking about programs of nutritional programs, we have a budget, so we can select a way of diffusion which is really expensive, so it doesn't go out from our budgets. Also talking about accessibility, see how the audience has easy access to that medium. So imagine we want to send a message for all people who for remember the importance of being hydrated during the summer. Maybe it's not useful to send it through social media. Maybe it's more useful to make some spaces on the TV or using the radio, the newspapers, etc. Okay. Also, talk about the ease of use of this medium, the credibility of each type of media, because not all of them has the same credibility. So maybe something we have found in social media maybe doesn't have the same relevance as we see in the newspaper and the TV. Also, we want to publish something on the social media. From which count we are sending it is not the same. Sending it from the government of Spain or the Ministry of Health than from a random Instagram account. Okay. Also, the community participation to see if the chosen medium stimulates citizen participation. Also, it needs to be accessible or easy for use and not in a really complex way, because this can also diminish the community participation. Okay. Also, it's important to talk about the diffusion of the message over the time to see if the message can be spread over the time, or we want to make a policy which is to talk about something during a long term or during a long period, or we want to make it during a short period. Okay. Also to talk about the relation to the objectives of the intervention to see if the chosen means serves to achieve the objectives. Okay. Therefore, it's necessary to consider which medium is best suited to achieve the intervention objectives, and to also to adapt it to our target population. Okay, as we were talking, maybe making an advisement in TV is really expensive, and our target population, if it's young people, maybe they are not going to see it, and maybe it's a little bit cheaper using it in social media. Okay. It is also interesting to know the target audience to know the effectiveness of the program. Okay, many nutrition education programs have been successful when a combination of multimedia has been used, especially the ones who want to catch a large group of population. So many of them talking mainly about the overweight or obesity. Okay, using several types of media, the impact of the intervention is enhanced because it reinforces the others so that the collective impact is greater than if we are doing it separately. Okay, some of the factors that can now talking about the factors which can influence in food purchasing decisions are the availability of the products, also the climate. Imagine if it's summer, maybe people are used to eat cold things such as salad or cold dishes such as salads, juices, watermelon, and other type of fruits. Also, it's important to talk or to stop into the economic model, talking about social classes, etc. The infrastructure in which people buys, also the traditions of the population, the geographical area in which we are situated, because maybe we are in well, now it's easier, but imagine a long time ago for eating fish in the center of the peninsula. Maybe it's really difficult. Okay, so and maybe there are more consumption of fish in coastal or in sea areas. For example, just imagine some places of Spain such as Cádiz, Galicia, Málaga, etc. Okay, there is a lot of tradition of eating food. When we are inside the country, there is more tradition of meat or other type of products. Also, it's important to stop into a shopping list. There are studies that say that it can condition over the 45% of what is purchased of it was purchased. The remaining part is decided at the moment and will depend on the great extent on media messages and marketing strategies. This is why it's really important to take into account the marketing sector or how we send the message to our target population. The media messages, their influence is often not conscious and influence what is bought. Okay, and talking about marketing strategies at the point of sale, such as tastings, offers, claims. When we see some offers in the supermarket, we are used to buy it more or to buy more amount of that product, so we spend more. Okay, it's important to stop into these marketing tricks use, and they are, but also talk about these marketing tricks and take them into our field, talking about nutrition. A great example is talking about the why is talking about positioning in high traffic areas or net to cash registers or net to mass consumption products such as milk, sugar, etc. These are ways of incrementing the buys or the consumption of some products. Just imagine or just go to the supermarket when we are in the area of dairy products. In the nearby there we can find the bakery or the place where we can find some cereals or some sweets. Okay. Also, it is important to remark that companies want to know what factors influences, so they can increase their profit. They are used to analyze the loyal customer, which knows the product and the brand he wants to buy and does not choose another. This represents about the 22%. Also, the type of customer that know what they want, but they are not clear about the brand. This counts for the 18%. Also, it's important to analyze which product and the brand he wants, but change her mind about the brand at the time of purchase. Okay, around the 5%, and also people who not plan to buy what is in the shopping cart. This counts over the 55%. So that's why it's really important to take into account this message, because there are a lot of customers who don't know what they are going to buy at the time of going to the supermarket. This has been all for this video class. I hope you enjoyed and you find it useful.